Tesla's chief, Elon Musk, he is now overseeing production because of those recent production problems that they had with the Model 3. John Thompson is with us, Vilas Capital Management. John, you're one of those who are saying Tesla's going to collapse. Make your case.
Well, Stuart, you know, Tesla came out with the electric car 5-6 years ago, and they've had the market to themselves. They've built a beautiful car that's selling fairly well, and they've been losing $2 billion a year selling cars for $100,000. Their story is that they're going to sell a car for $45,000 and make money on it. So they were losing $20,000 per car on the $100,000 car, but somehow they're going to make money on this $45,000 car, given the fact also that the tax subsidies, the $7,500 per car subsidy, is going to be going away over the next 12 months as they hit their 200,000 car limit. So I don't see, the company is saying we're going to make money miraculously on this Model 3, but my sense is that I think it's actually hype, and that the reality is they're going to lose more money on this car.
Why is the stock up so much? I mean, just the other day it was around 250, 258, I remember seeing. Now it's at 295. I guess the market doesn't agree with you.
Well, the company came out and said they're going to make money in the second half of the year because they're going to sell a lot more of this Model 3. And, you know, if you look at any other car company, you know, General Motors makes far more money on Cadillacs than they do on Chevrolets. In essence, Tesla's been selling Cadillacs, losing money at it, and they're going to come out with a Chevrolet, and they're going to somehow make money. I find that statement in their most recent press release to be
Can you, John, can you bring me up to speed on their battery factory? We were told that it was revolutionary, brand new kind of battery, would really open up electric cars. Give me an update.
Well, the reality is that they built a building and leased space to Panasonic, who's putting their equipment in there, and they're buying batteries from Panasonic. You know, Volkswagen is buying $25 billion of batteries from LG and Samsung in the free market. I think it's a much better way to do it is to not build your own factory, is to play all the different battery manufacturers off each other. You don't have to spend the capital, and you're not committed to any technology that may become obsolete if something better comes out. So I think it was a big mistake to build that factory.
So spell it out again. They are when we use the word collapsed, is that another word for bankrupt? You think that Tesla will declare bankruptcy?
Yeah, I said in a note to my clients that in the next 3 to 6 months, I think the stock's going to crash, and that, you know, because of that, they'll be on the verge of bankruptcy because they need the capital markets to survive. They have to raise money.
What was the response to that?
They cannot survive.
I mean, I know what you put out in your note was widely read, and as you say, when it was heavily critical of Tesla going towards bankruptcy. What was the response to that? Well,
you know, the company, you know, he sort of joked that, you know, I'm nuts or something. But, you know, I think if you look at Moody's just downgraded their credit to CCC, which, having run bonds for 16 years, that's a horrible credit rating. You know, it's almost on impending, you know, insolvency. You know, so it's not just me that's saying this. It's sort of the, you know, even Goldman Sachs and J.P. Morgan and Merrill Lynch are all saying the stock's, you know, worth far less than where it's trading.
Okay.
And you know.
All right, I get the message. You're not necessarily out on a limb, but you are sticking to your guns. John Thompson, thanks for joining us, sir. We'll see how this plays out, obviously. Thanks, John.